Homework should be banned. It adds unnecessary stress to students' lives.
Mr. Castillo, homework develops independent study skills. To other students, it also helps them with their grades.
But isn't it important to prioritize the students' well-being and mental health over academic achievements? That's enough! I disagree, Ms. Andrada.
You're wrong, Mr. Castillo!
I can't really understand your point.
But my point is...
I already said enough!
Yes, sir!
I will, Ms. Andrada. We will continue this tomorrow. Well, I'm done solving your grades. And I want to congratulate Mr. Castillo for being on top of my class. And Sebajan, conducts the next grading. Okay, class dismissed. You did great.
Practice great. Proud. Kutan na kanimo.
Insya Allah, nggak tahu sih. Jadi kalau
Kunyang presentation man, wala spring mo.
Nagaura mo ko gina sa pakaw. Inubasol mo ko galingon mo sa tabo kanakon.
Ura ko maan, primo. Nagadjakaw. Nagamakita takaw. Kay, ura ka ron, primo.
Ikaw man na may sala. Ikaw. Ikaw may sala, Sky. Imutan ang sala.
Hindi ka niya ako may sala!
Sky? 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 Okay ka lang? Bukra?